Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and post someone else's story on your Snapchat story. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, now let's get into it. So for the matter, you have to access a particular Snapchat app on your mobile phone first. So we go back, discard the story. So let's say we are in your Snapchat and we go to this stories section, and then people have added the story, right? If you tap on the story, if that person has tagged us right there on their story, then we will be able to tap on it and it will show us the add to story option. Once we tap on it, we'll simply snap it, and now it will show our ID, and then we can post it. But if you are not tagged, we do not have an option to simply share it to our story. For the matter, we can simply choose to go back and take a simple screenshot or a screen recording and crop it out a little bit and simply post it on our Snapchat story by uploading simply from our galleries right over here. So that is basically the way for us to do, right? Otherwise there is no way for you to upload it as long as you're not being tagged on it. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.